In this video, we're going to talk about using AI agents to speed up editing with Cutting Room. We did a Cutting Room video a few years ago, but people not familiar, just quick overview. What is Cutting Room? Yeah.
Cutting Room is a cloud-based and also browser-based video editor. So everything is done in the cloud and in the browser. If you want to do an edit, if you want to work on this, you need a browser. You can work from anywhere in the world, and then you will have all your content in one place, all your project, and also your team's project. So everything will be in one place. So for us, integrations are very important. So we integrate with a lot of different MAMs, with CMSs, object stores, live streams, and all of that.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That's great. Okay. What's new? What is new with Cutting Room?
I can show you a couple of things that's new. First of all, we do a lot of integrations now. So Cutting Room can be used as a standalone, but you can also integrate the whole thing or parts of it into other applications. So we have a lot of other partners that are extending their own services, MAMs, etc., with editing capabilities. So you can do edits straight into other services. We also have some new features that I'd love to show you.
Yeah.
It is an NLE, it's a video editor, and you can edit kind of in a traditional way, but you can also add more automated features. So let's create a new story. So the first thing we are launching is Shortcut. So Shortcut is a way to integrate AI into the workflow. So for us, it's enhancing or making the life of a video editor easier. Removing the tedious task, how can you kind of focus on the creative? So what you do is you integrate your own license of Anthropic or OpenAI or the LLM that you usually use. So it doesn't go through us, you have complete control over all the AI usage, etc. We also integrate with other MCP servers and AIs. So for instance, Iconic, Mime, Content Core Avid has their own, so we can also connect to those. And then we have a unified interface to all of these. So the LLM and the AI you use will have a much broader picture of what you want to do. So I'll give you an example. So I have a prompt here that says, find the Bill Gates interview, read a transcript from Iconic, find the 2 best quotes, bring that into the timeline, add an intro and an outro, do some audio dissolves, and add captions. So it's going into Iconic now, finding all the information, and then creating the timeline.
So right now it's calling up all the media storage in Iconic.
Yes.
Is that already indexed? Is it kind of just running through search? Is it?
Yeah, so it's using the metadata, in this case Iconic, to search for the right content. So that's also with the right metadata and index, so you can do kind of find the good B-rolls. And we can also then integrate with others that can actually also look into what's happening in the picture. Because other companies will be much better in creating that services, so that we can extend kind of.
You can pull like if the data is there,
and it's a way for the customers also to extend Cutting Room with their own kind of new features. So as we see when this is pulled in now, translating captions.
Yeah.
Now. Before, it would be a feature that we need to build, and we would find someone that can do the translations. That's just a prompt now, because you can just ask it. Yeah, you can see now it's starting building the timeline. So let's see. Now it's found a clip, it found the quotes. So we have all of those. So it's looking into the transcript to find kind of the different text and see what he's talking about. And now it's finding the intros and the outros. So for instance, or if you have a podcast, you have 2 microphones, and then when one person is speaking, then you need to mute the other one because you're drinking water, you're chewing or something. That's a tedious task. You need to go kind of do all of that. Now that's one prompt. It knows when one person is talking, can take the mute the other person. And it's a way to kind of, as a customer, you can add more features to the product using this. And every time you have a new prompt, you have something that works, then you can save that as a shortcut, and that's what it is.
Like the pre-written prompt, or something you find out that this prompt works well.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. You add it, context, and then you can reuse it, and then you can also give it to the rest of your team. This works well, and then you can have team organizational prompts, so you can have just your own.
Okay. And if we've been able to identify visuals, that's just a matter of if, not necessarily something you do in Cutting Room, but if the data you connected was analyzed with a video analyzer like a Gemini or 12 Labs or Imaginary or whatever. So as long as the data is there, you can pull from it.
If the data is there, and then it's typically, if we can then connect to that MCP server, then we can ask about that, because we can give it video, all of these things, as long as all of these AIs or MCPs have just talked to each other.
Yeah.
So we are kind of the hub for that. Yeah.
And then on the flip side, kind of going about MCP servers and AI agents, can I access or spin up, like this chat experience I had here? Could I do that connecting to Cutting Room, like via Claude, the desktop?
Absolutely.
Or if I set up OpenClaw or something?
That's basically what it is. We created an MCP server, and we are exposing everything around Cutting Room, so the AI can do everything I can do.
Yeah.
So that means that you can use Claude. We are adding that into our camera app. So you're recording something, you do some interviews, and then you just see, I want the rough cut to be like this and this and this. And then when you get home, it's already there.
Yeah. Or I can see that pulling social media clips, but it's not, the clips are here and edited, so you can still go back in and tweak stuff. You're not committed to whatever video it gives you.
And for every feature we add now, we expose also through the MCP. So one of the features we're adding now is blur, automatic blur. You find all the people or object that you want to do. So that's a new feature. We'll also go to marry that into, so that MCP server will also know about that. So here's an example. So I have my story here now, and then I want to translate the captions into language.
Spanish.
And then that's what it does. So we don't need to do that. It's the LLM that does that. Or we can then connect to services that does translations really well. And then it will reach out to that one. Here's the text, translate this, all of this into, then bring it back and add it to the timeline.
Yeah, that's a very cool system.
Yeah, it is.
Awesome. Any other use cases you've been seeing with Shortcut or?
Yeah, we showcase this. This is kind of something we launched at NAB, and we get so much feedback. So we had another use case was, can we use this for QC? Right, I have my story. Are there any swear words? Is this conforming to the length that we want? Are there anything here are there black frames? Are there things like that? So it's really that, we'll launch that now for everyone soon, but it's kind of getting all that feedback. What can you actually use it for?
Yeah.
And for us, it's all about kind of enhancing the workflow and making that as efficient as possible.
Yeah.
That's also why we're very kind of, if you use this, you bring your own license. We will never add an AI service that you don't know about. Everything is opt-in, so that you have complete control over where your content is used.
And it's model agnostic, so you can connect it to whatever.
Yes. So now we do all the models. We'll also connect into offline models. We even have a model that we can run in the browser if you want to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Well, thanks for the update. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you so much.